I teach you 1000 essential words in English to make you fluent. Part 3. Words beginning with letters K, L, M, N, O and P. Keep. Key. Have you got the key to the door? Kid. Hey kid, have you got your keys? Kill. Kind. Kitchen. Know. Knowledge. Land. Language. English language. Large as against small. Last as against first. Late as against on time. Later. Laugh. Law. Lawyer. Lay. Layer. Lead. Leader. Leave. Least. Left. Leg. Legal. Less. Let. And learn. You should learn these words. Write them down. Letter. Level. Lie. Like. Life. Light. Turn on the light. Likely. Line. Draw a line with a pencil. List. Have you got your shopping list? Listen. Little. Live. Lively. Local. Long. But live can also be live. Hence lively. Look. Loose or lose. Loose. Loss. Lot. Love. Low. Lower. Machine. Magazine. Main. Maintain. Major. Majority. Note the difference between major and majority. Make. Man. Management. Manage. And just straightforward manage. Market. Many. Look at the difference between man and many. Marriage. Material. Material is cloth, isn't it? Matter. May. Maybe. Me. Mean. Measure. You should write these words down and learn these words individually. Each of them is quite important. Media. Medical. Meet. Meeting. Member. Memory. Mention. Message. Method. Middle. Might. Military. Million. Mind. Minute. Might, military, million, mind, minute. You need to learn each one of these words. They're important. Miss, mission, model, modern, moment. Take a moment to learn these words. I'm sure they will earn you money. Month. More. Morning. Good morning. Most. Mother. Movement. Mouth. Move. Moth. A thing like a butterfly, only it's a moth. Movie. A film. Mr. Mrs. Music. Must. My. Myself. Nature. Name. Nation. National. Natural. Miss. Much. Near, meaning close, nearly, almost, necessary, important. Need. Net. Network. Never. New as against old. News. What's the news? What's happening? Read the newspaper. Next. Nice. Night. No. None. Look at that. No is no, but this word isn't known, it's non, none. Nor. North as against south. Not. Note. Nothing. Notice. Now. Number. Occur. Occur means happen. Of. Off. Offer. I made an offer on the house. office, officer, a police officer. O, oil, okay, okay again, spelt out. Old, on, once, one, only, onto, open, operation, opportunity, option, or. Look at this. That is on, but this word is once, one, only, onto, open. Order, organization, other, others, our, out, outside, as against inside, over there, own, alone, on your own, means own, on my own, as against owner, somebody who owns something. So this could be own, when you own something. Page, pain, painting, paper, parent, the parent of a child. Part, participant, somebody who takes part in something is a participant. Particular, particularly, meaning exactly one part. Partner, party, pass, pay, peace, people, per, perform, past, patient, pattern. Look at that. Past, patient, pattern. You need to learn these words. Performance. When you go to a theatre, you see a performance. Perhaps you're talking about a film, a performance of a film. Period. Person. Personal, belongs to you. Phone. Peace. Place. Plan. Plant. Play. Physical. Physical. Pick. Picture. Now look at that. Phone. physical. Peace, place, plan, plant, play. Player, somebody who plays a game. PM, afternoon. Point, police. Policy, political. Politics, position, positive, popular, power, practice, poor. Popular. Population, meaning the number of people in a country. What's the population? Prepare. President. Present. Either a present, meaning a gift, or who is in the room, who is present. Pressure. Pretty. Look at that. Pressure. Pretty. Prevent. Price. Process. Produce. Product. Production. Professional. Private. Probably. Maybe. Probably. Problem. Look at each of these words. Professor, a university professor. Program, project, property, something you own. Protect, prove, provide. Look at these two, prove and provide. Push, put, public as against private. Pull, purpose. I teach you 1,000 essential words to make you fluent. That was part 3. There were 265 words beginning with the letters K, L, M, N, O, and P. Thank you very much. You should see parts 1 and 2 and 4 and 5.